Hey, good day, people. Good day to you. So today is going to be a good day. Well, every day is a good day, but doing something extra special today. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Keep watching Michael Styles. Yeah. So you will see when I reach. I'll let you know where I'm going. So we're going on a road trip, and it just looks so much like Grenada or even the Caribbean because it's just so green and stuff like that. And you're just like, oh my gosh. Oh gosh. And you know me, yeah. Oh gosh. I'm so scared. I'll be like, I can't even walk here because you don't know what creature or animal gonna come out the bush. Oh gosh. So the people that live in these places and stuff, they're good. Yeah, they're really good. Oh gosh, no, I couldn't do it. I'm sorry. Oh, I'll be so scared. Oh gosh. Good day to you, good day to you. Oh my gosh, you know we give God the praise and we give him the glory on this Michael Styles Marvelous Monday. So this is the fit for today. And oh my gosh, people, if you only what I'm doing today. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. Love is love, Michael Styles. Yeah. Hey, good day to you, good day. So this is the fit for today. I was gonna change the bag. I don't know why I didn't change the bag. But yeah, people, oh my gosh. Yeah. It's going to be amazing. Today's going to be amazing. Well, today's amazing already anyway. People, look what I can see from here. Look. Oh, look. Oh, where's the other one? Hold on. There's one in the background there somewhere, but that's the first one there. And then you've got another one just behind the... If you can just zoom in there, you might see her or him. Hey, good day to you family, good day to you on this marvelous Michael Styles Monday. So I'm just at the elephant sanctuary or the elephant home or whatever. So yeah, we'll just wait before we go down there.
The locker room there. The locker room in the middle. Toilet for the ladies on the left hand side, gentlemen from the right. 41 years old already, but sometimes seem like a kid, seem like a baby one. If you need to take a photo with her, that you can do that. You can come close to her. She's a. They feel safe because they know.
Hey, look there. Poochie, I saw Munchie at the other end. Poochie, Poochie. Hey, so I'm gonna make, I can't remember the name what I'm gonna make, some paper sheet thing. Oh gosh. Yeah, so I'm gonna do, but look. You see, so we have to spread it, people. You see? And then you'll add our things to do decoration and stuff. Oh gosh.
Like she need she have accident last time. This is about that, And when you come close to our elephant, you can hear the keeper always control the elephant with the voice command. All right, ready to go there. This is our chubby girl. This is chubby girl. If you need to know that why we call. You can try to touch her here.
Michael Styles. Yeah.
Her skin here,
Yeah.
like a jelly.
Yeah.
When you touch her, remember after this you touch to the another one. Thank you, tap him. She named it tap him. Tap him, the meaning of.
People, I'm not gonna lie. I'm so nervous. Nervous. Oh, bless.
Different. The another one. The another one. She have brown eye, yellow eye. Done. Maybe you can move here. I will help you to make a photo. Because she need to come inside. She know. Close with the door when she live with that from our foundation project. Because this one she buy from the left side.
Trạm rồi đây.
Because this one teenager, she play all day, and this one she grow up together with the baby elephant. She know that one.
So we're going for a walk. So, where's look Poochie come back there? Got Poochie. So this is Poochie, everybody. Poochie tired. Poochie's been working in the elephant sanctuary for a few years now. So she's the guard for the elephants. Alright Poochie, we're going now, okay? So we'll see you later. Alright? People, I come on holiday to rest. Oh gosh. Look how I'm going, so look where I'm going. If you're all like me, because I watch too much a horror movie, I scared to go into the forest. People, you know my last location, eh? Oh gosh.
We mix them together with banana. That's why we didn't tell until you mix it like one pickle, only one pickle. When you have a bowl, only become a bowl. Put the bowl in the bucket, and when you feed.
As you don't know, she was a rescue dog how much years ago, but she's been looking after the elephants as well. As small as she is, though, but if she don't know she job. But she's been following me on this trip, so she's been following me. When I said to lie down, she's lying down there. So yeah, it's been good. So okay. So this is the one. Ooh, here? Here? Ooh. Sorry. Oh, closer. Ooh. Oh, okay. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, it's fast. Oh my gosh. Wow. At least you can't say Michael Styles never feed you. Okay. This is work. Okay.
Papa, one more.
Maybe you can feed to the.
People, at least you can't say Michael Styles never feed the elephant. Look, I'm feeding the elephant. Come, girl.
Yeah, come here.
So this one I like because this one she loved to dance. You see, she loved to dance. She loved to party. This one here, she's the party one. Finish.
Look at me, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, stop.
Thank you. So this is the elephant playground. I said I'm not going down there because sometimes elephants need their own space. They people them fast. Look there, they're fast. We at Michael Styles.
Đây nè, đây.
We do Afro-European, Caucasian and Hispanic here. And we even do elephant.
Đây nè.
กว่าจะไป
Đây.
ไปตัดหญ้าแล้วจ้ะถ้าไปก็ลักกี้อินเกมที่กล้องนะจ๊ะ
Đây, bạn đi mà. Đây nè. Đây nè, phải.
Wow, amazing. We're at Michael Styles, we specialise in all types of hair. We do Afro-European, Caucasian and Hispanic hair. We don't care what race, gender or religion you are. Anybody's welcome to come to Michael Styles.
When you come
Even
closer,
elephants.
she spray outside that you can
So you see, we don't judge at Michael Styles. So I thought I was having a break from cooking and excitement. Look, I have an apron. I gotta go and cook for the people. Going to take some Thai Grenadians. That's that mission Thai food from me.
มาเล่น You eat not me No You're welcome You're welcome to You're welcome
You can't really see the real beauty of it though. Pity. Oh, to the elephant sanctuary.
Ah, elephant.
Yes.
Feeding.
Huh? Yes.
Feeding.
Yes.
Ah.
Roller coaster. So how could I be? Look. Do you see them? Look, bats. They frighten me, you see?
शर्त नहीं ना सवाल कोई ऐसा इश्क तेरा
You know, I haven't been around the whole of the hotel. I haven't been around the whole thing, but hey. They even have wedding planning suite and all kind of thing. Really. People, it's amazing, and there's more to it down there and stuff. Amazing.